How to make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. So if you want to make a YouTube short on your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you need to go with Create Project. Once you go with Create Project, now you need to go with Import. And from the import, you just need simply select any option that you're comfortable with, any video that you're comfortable with. So go with your videos. Now you need to drag and drop the video. And let me tell you one thing, that to make a YouTube short, you need to go with the resolution. So just select your short at first and then go with ratio. And under ratio, you need to select 9:16. And after that, you can go with the right side. Here, you can just simply scroll down a bit and you will have the background option. You can just simply go with the background and add some background to it. You can just go with canvas and then you can simply choose some backgrounds. I'm choosing blur background. And after that, you can just simply go with export, which is on the top right. And once you've exported, then you can just go with your YouTube short and then upload the video on your YouTube short. That's how you can make a YouTube short on your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.